Hello friends, peace be upon you. Friends, today we will learn how to convert any image into abstract twisted light art. We can then use this art anywhere. Can be used as a background for a photo, such a template for a website, and we can write anything on it. You will see something like this. Abstract twisted light fibers effect. So guys, how do we do this in Photoshop? First let's see and start the video. So, as you have this night view of a city, we will convert it to abstract twisted light fibers. You can create a duplicate layer of your background by pressing Ctrl+J. Then go to Filter, Convert for Smart Filters. Smart Filter is a filter applied to a smart object, allowing for non-destructive editing. So, this little box will tell you that layer has been converted for Smart Filters. Then go to Filter, Render, Fibers. Fibers filter creates woven fiber effect using foreground and background colors. A window for fibers will pop up. Make amount 15 for variance. Value is 5 for strength, then press OK. Now if you see, a layer thumbnail of fiber smart filter has created. Next to it is a small icon on the right. It is for to double-click to edit filter blending options. When you double-click on it, Fibers filter blending options will open. Change its mode from normal to hard mix and then press OK. Blending options, when dealing with fibers, involve using blending modes to achieve specific effect. As we use the filters, they will come down here. Filters allow you to apply artistic effects. Now, go to Filter, Blur, Radial Blur. Radial blur is filter effect that blurs image outward from central point. Make amount 100 for radial blur. Blur method is zoom. We will keep its quality good here, and after that we will press OK. After OK, we will reapply the same filter again. For that, press Ctrl+Alt+F. Radial blur window will open again, just press OK. After that you have to apply the twirl effect on it. Twirl filter is distortion filter that rotates image around central point, creating twisting effect. Go to Filter, Distort, Twirl. You can adjust twirl angle to control amount of rotation and create different visual results. Make angle 100 for twirl. Angle controls the amount of twirl or distortion applied. Then press OK. Double-click to edit filter, blending options. Blending options for twirl will open. Blending modes determine how layers interact with each other. Change mode from normal to lighten. After that we will fix it here to press OK. After that we will open again the filter of twirl. First option in the filter menu will always be your last used filter. This time make angle -100 for twirl. Double-click to edit, filter blending options icon. After that, as soon as twirl blending options open, positive angles will rotate image clockwise creating right-hand twirl. Negative angles will rotate image counterclockwise creating left-hand twirl. Its mode is also to turn, lighten, and press OK. This time image will rotate counterclockwise. Now on top of that we'll create color balance layer. Color balance layer allows to modify colors in image by targeting specific areas. Select midtones in tone. Make value plus 35 for cyan and red. Make value plus 35 for magenta and green. Same, make value plus 35 for yellow and blue. This adjustment layer is non-destructive. Create a layer for brightness and contrast. Make value 84, contrast. It allows you to modify brightness and contrast non-destructively. Select all layers and press Ctrl+G to make a group. So this is a picture, which is a night view of a city. We have applied it to abstract twisted light fibers effect. You can use it as a background for your photos. And this is the end result. I hope you enjoyed this video for abstract twisted light fibers effect. And if you like, then hit like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.